Ram. Suprabhatam. Let's start the class. Gurureva gatir gurumeva bhaje. Gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave. Na guroh paramam shishurasmi guroho. Matirasti gurau mama pahi guru. Yogena chittasya padena vacham malam sharirasya cha vaidyakena yopakarottam pravaram muninam patanjalim pranjaliranatosmi. So we'll start from the 26th Sutram of Vibhuti Pada, that is the third Pada. So from here onwards, the sutras are really short and simple. So we'll have an easy time learning these sutras. Lase Bhagini. Bhuvana Jnanam Surye Sanyamat. So remember to pronounce Surya long. Surye. So even the Ekara and the Ukara both are long here. We'll start. Bhuvana
Bhuvana
Jnanam
Jnanam
Surye
Surye Sanyamat.
Complete Sutram. Bhuvana Jnanam Surye Sanyamat.
Bhuvana Jnanam Surye Sanyamat. Bhuvana Jnanam Surye Sanyamat.
Okay, next Sutram. Chandre. So here the na, the and ra, all these three consonants have to be pronounced together. And again look at the long ekara. Ekara is always long. So we have to say Chandre, Tara. Again focus on the dirghas here. Tara, Vyuha. Focus on the dirgham here. And Jnanam. Chandre. Tara. Vyuha. Jnanam. Chandre, Tara, Vyuha, Jnanam.
Chandre Tara Vyuha Jnanam. Chandre Tara Vyuha Jnanam.
Okay, next sutram. Dhruve. Focus on the Mahaprana Dha. This is Dhruve. So this is not Dhr. Because when we see the Rkara here, this is the Repa. This is not the Rkara. So we have to say Dhru here. Dhruve Tat Gati Jnanam. Simple words. Dhruve Tat Gati Jnanam. Dhruve Tat Gati Jnanam.
Dhruve Tadgati Jnanam.
Very nice. Okay. Next one. Nabhi. Again Bha Mahaprana. Chakre. The Ka and the Ra together. So make sure to stress at the Ka. So Chakre. Kaya. Vyuha. Jnanam. So you see the same words Vyuha and Jnanam repeating in each sutram. Nabhi. Chakre. Kaya.
काय
व्यूह
व्यूह व्यूह
ज्ञानम
ज्ञानं ज्ञानं
नाभिचक्रे कायव्यूह ज्ञानम
नाभिचक्रे कायव्यूहज्ञानं नाभिचक्रे कायव्यूहज्ञानं
Good. Okay. Kantha, again, tha is a mahaprana. Kupe kshut pipasa nivrittihi. Again, remember the vra is vrittihi, not vri or vra or vru. So underline, this may be difficult here, vra and tha mahaprana. Focus on these two places here. Kantha
कण्ठ कण्ठ
कूपे
कूपे कूपे
क्षुत
क्षुत क्षुत
पिपासा
पिपासा पिपासा
निवृत्तिः
निवृत्तिः निवृत्तिः
okay complete sutram कंठकूपे क्षुत्पिपासा निवृत्तिः
कंठकूपे क्षुत्पिपासा निवृत्तिः कंठकूपे क्षुत्पिपासा निवृत्तिः
next sutram kurma stress on the ma and kurma is long kurma nadyam so that is dakara and yakara mixed together nadyam sthairyam so again focus on the mahaprana tha kurma
कूर्म कूर्म
nadyam
नाड्यां नाड्यां
sthairyam
स्थैर्यं स्थैर्यं
कूर्मनाड्यां स्थैर्यं
कूर्मनाड्यां स्थैर्यं कूर्मनाड्यां स्थैर्यं
मूर्धा again underline the mahaprana dha jyotishi lot of people tend to say jyotishi it is not jo it is jyo so remember to pronounce the yakara in this it's commonly skipped so underline this siddha siddha again mahaprana dha darshanam this sha remember it's not darsa or darsha it is darshanam the middle sha मूर्धा
मूर्ध मूर्ध
ज्योतिषि
ज्योतिषि ज्योतिषि
सिद्ध
सिद्ध सिद्ध
दर्शनम
दर्शनं दर्शनं
मूर्ध ज्योतिषि सिद्ध दर्शनम
मूर्धज्योतिषि सिद्धदर्शनं मूर्धज्योतिषि सिद्धदर्शनम्
next sutram pratibhat va sarvam here underline the bha mahaprana and when pratibhat and va combined together it is pratibhadva so the takara is replaced by the dakara here sarvam again focus on the va here pratibhat
प्रातिभात प्रातिभात
va
वा वा
sarvam
सर्वं सर्वं
प्रातिभात्वा सर्वं
प्रातिभाद्वा सर्वं प्रातिभाद्वा सर्वं
very good okay hridaye Again, this is a ha and a r, so pronounce it as hriday, not hru or hri. Hridaye chitta. Again, it's a double ta, so you have to stress on the chitta. Samvit. Hridaye
Hridaye, hridaye,
chitta
chitta, chitta,
samvit.
संवित, संवित,
Hridaye chitta samvit.
हृदये चित्त संवित, हृदये चित्त संवित.
Okay, this is a long sutra after so many short sutras. So here ta and va. So you have to pronounce it as sattva purushayoho. Remember, this is a sha in Vishnu. Okay, atyanta asankirnayoho pratyaya avisheshaha. Again, sha and sha coming together in the same word. So I make a marking here. Bhogaha, again underline the Mahaprana. Bha. Pararthatvat, underline the Tha Mahaprana. Swartha, underline the Tha. Sanyamat. Purusha Jnanam. Let's chant it. Sattva
सत्त्व, सत्त्व,
Purushayoho
पुरुषयोः, पुरुषयोः,
Atyanta
अत्यन्त, अत्यन्त,
Asankirnayoho
असङ्कीर्णयोः, असङ्कीर्णयोः,
Pratyaya
प्रत्यय, प्रत्यय,
Avisheshaha
अविशेषः, अविशेषः,
Bhogaha
भोगः, भोगः,
Pararthatvat
परार्थत्वात्, परार्थत्वात्,
Swartha
स्वार्थ, स्वार्थ,
Sanyamat
संयमात्, संयमात्,
Purusha
पुरुष, पुरुष,
Jnanam.
ज्ञानं, ज्ञानं,
Sattva Purushayoho
सत्त्वपुरुषयोः, सत्त्वपुरुषयोः,
Atyanta Sankirnayoho
अत्यन्तासङ्कीर्णयोः, अत्यन्तासङ्कीर्णयोः,
Pratyaya Vishesho Bhogaha
प्रत्ययाविशेषो भोगः, प्रत्ययाविशेषो भोगः,
Pararthatvat Swartha Sanyamat
परार्थत्वात्, स्वार्थसंयमात्, परार्थत्वात्, स्वार्थसंयमात्,
Purusha Jnanam.
पुरुषज्ञानं, पुरुषज्ञानं.
Okay, so when we've already seen some combinations here, pratyaya avisheshaha, pratyaya visheshaha. Similarly, in atyanta asankirnayoho, atyanta sankirnayoho. So now when we combine and chant the whole sutram, sattva purushayoho combined with atyanta sankirnayoho, we have to replace this visarga with a ra. So here you see it in the main sutram here. Sattva purushayor atyanta sankirnayoho, and then this visarga, when pa is in the next word, the first letter of the next word, you have to pronounce the upadmaniya, the fa sound, and then pratyaya vishesho bhogaha, visheshaha becomes vishesho bhogaha, and then again bhogah pararthatvat. So again we have to pronounce bhogah pararthatvat, and the rest of it is the same way. Okay. Sattva purushayoratyanta sankirnayo pratyaya vishesho bhogah pararthatvat swartha sanyamat purushajnanam.
सत्त्वपुरुषयोरत्यन्ता सङ्कीर्णयोः प्रत्यया विशेषो भोगः परार्थत्वात् स्वार्थसंयमात् पुरुषज्ञानम् सत्त्वपुरुषयोरत्यन्ता सङ्कीर्णयोः प्रत्यया विशेषो भोगः परार्थत्वात् स्वार्थ संयमात् पुरुष ज्ञानम.
Perfect. Okay. Next sutram. Tataha pratibha shravana. So here focus, it is not na here, it is na. So shravana, vedana, adarsha, aswada, vartaha, jayante. So when we combine all these words together, the samasthapada, it becomes there are too many dirghas. So we have to be careful. Sometimes we tend to miss one or two. And it should not sound like you're reading. We should be very fluent. Even if you're reading, it should be very fluent. No one should be able to make out that this is not memorized or something. So it's difficult when there are too many dirghas. So be focused on where the dirghas are. Tataha pratibha shravana vedana adarsha asvada vartaha jayante. Okay. Tataha pratibha shravana vedana adarsha vartaha jayante. Complete sutram. Tatah pratibha shravana vedanaadarsha svadavarta jayante. Tatah pratibha shravana vedanaadarsha svadavarta jayante. Tatah pratibha shravana vedanaadarsha svadavarta jayante. Very nice. Okay. Te samadhau. So remember to pronounce the dhau. Upasargaha vyutthane. Again mahaprana tha. Siddhayaha. Dha is also mahaprana here. Te samadhau upasargaha vyutthane siddhayaha. Te samadhavupasargaha
ते समाधावुपसर्गाः ते समाधावुपसर्गाः
व्युत्थाने सिद्धयः
व्युत्थाने सिद्धयः व्युत्थाने सिद्धयः
ते समाधावुपसर्गाभ्युत्थाने सिद्धयः
ते समाधावुपसर्गाव्युत्थाने सिद्धयः ते समाधावुपसर्गाव्युत्थाने सिद्धयः
Okay. Bandha, underline the Mahapranadha. Karana, again focus on the na here. Shaithilyat, underline the Tha Mahaprana. Prachara, Samvedanat, Cha Chittasya, Para Sharira, Aveshaha. Bandha,
बन्ध बन्ध
Karana,
कारण कारण
शैथिल्यात्
शैथिल्यात् शैथिल्यात्
प्रचार
प्रचार प्रचार
संवेदनात्
संवेदनात् संवेदनात्
च
च च
चित्तस्य
चित्तस्य चित्तस्य
पर
पर पर
शरीर
शरीर शरीर
आवेशः
आवेशः आवेशः
okay. बन्धकारणशैथिल्यात्
बन्धकारणशैथिल्यात् बन्धकारणशैथिल्यात्
प्रचार संवेदनाच्च
प्रचार संवेदनाच्च प्रचार संवेदनाच्च
चित्तस्य परशरीरावेशः
चित्तस्य परशरीरावेशः चित्तस्य परशरीरावेशः
कंप्लीट सूत्रम बन्धकारणशैथिल्यात् प्रचार संवेदनाच्च चित्तस्य परशरीरावेशः
बन्धकारणशैथिल्यात् प्रचार संवेदनाच्च चित्तस्य परशरीरावेशः बन्धकारणशैथिल्यात् प्रचार संवेदनाच्च चित्तस्य परशरीरावेशः
वेरी नाइस ओके 39th सूत्रम उदान जयात जल panka. So remember to pronounce the these are the fine nuances which we don't get in other languages. So this is important here. It's not pamka or panka, it is panka because this is in the ka varga itself. Kantaka, again this na adeshu asangah at utkrantihi cha. So here there are no mahapranas, so it should be easy relatively. Udana
उदान उदान
जयात
जयात् जयात्
जला
जल जल
पंक
पंक पंक
कंटक
कंटक कंटक
आदिषु
आदिषु आदिषु
असंगः
असंगः असंगः
उत्क्रांतिः
उत्क्रांतिः उत्क्रांतिः
च.
च च
So when udana jayat combines with Jalapanka Kantaka, it's the takara is replaced with a jakara. And okay, this is a complete word. Jalapanka Kantakadishu. So Kantakadishu, and then Asangaha Utkrantihi cha. So here the Visarga Asangaha, Visarga disappears. Asanga Utkrantihi. So Visarga combined with the cha forms Utkrantischa. Udanajayat.
Udanajayat. Udanajayat.
Jalapankakantakadishu.
Jalapankakantakaadishu. Jalapankakantakaadishu.
Asanga utkrantischa.
Asanga utkrantischa. Asanga utkrantischa.
So when Adishu combines with Asangaha, and we chant the complete sutram, it's Adishvasangaha. So the Vakara is added here instead of the Ukara. Udanajayat Jalapanka Kantakadishvasanga Utkrantischa.
Udanajayat Jalapankakantakaadishvasanga utkrantischa. Udanajayat Jalapankakantakaadishvasanga utkrantischa.
Uttamam. Okay. Samana Jayat Jvalanam. Simple sutram. Samana
Samana. Samana.
Jayat
Jayat. Jayat.
Jvalanam.
Jvalanam. Jvalanam.
Samana Jayat Jvalanam.
Samanajayajvalanam. Samanajayajvalanam.
Okay, last sutram for today. Shrotra Akashayoho Sambandha Sanyamat Divyam Shrotram. So only focus on this Mahaprana Sambandha. That's the only thing here which could be difficult. Shrotra
Shrotra. Shrotra.
Akashayoho
Akashayoho. Akashayoho.
Sambandha
Sambandha. Sambandha.
Sanyamat
Sanyamat. Sanyamat.
Divyam
Divyam. Divyam.
Shrotram.
Shrotram. Shrotram.
So here Shrotra and Akashayoho, we just extend the Akara. Shrotra Akashayoho. And when it combines with the next word, it is Akashayos Sambandha. So you can write a double S here. So you will understand this. Sambandha Sanyamat. When Sambandha Sanyamat combines with Divyam, the Takara is again replaced by with the Dakara. So Sanyamat Divyam. And then you should remember to stress on the Da because there are two Das now. Sanyamat Divyam Shrotram. Okay. Shrotraakashayos Sambandha Sanyamat Divyam Shrotram.
Shrotraakashayos Sambandha Sanyamat Divyam Shrotram. Shrotraakashayos Sambandha Sanyamat Divyam Shrotram.
Okay. Let's conclude the class. If anyone has any questions, you can ask after we conclude. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve santu niramayaha. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet.